Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Mazda CX-5 wiper blades. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the ignition. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into place. This prevents the arm from snapping back and potentially damaging the glass. We will cover both the driver's and passenger's side blades. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Look for a small tab or button on the connector where the blade attaches to the arm. Press this tab firmly, then slide the old blade downwards, away from the arm's hook. It should detach with a gentle pull. Be very careful to hold the metal wiper arm securely. If it snaps back onto the windshield, it could cause significant damage, potentially cracking the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the metal wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once both sides are attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back onto the windshield. Ensure it rests flat against the glass. After installing the driver's side blade, repeat these exact steps for the passenger side wiper. If your Mazda CX-5 has a rear wiper, follow a similar procedure for that as well. Once all new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their performance closely. Ensure they clear the windshield effectively, leaving no streaks or making any unusual noises. This confirms a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.